How to rotate iPhone screen. Okay, one to turn on screen rotation on your iPhone, then how you can easily rotate it. Okay, you want to rotate or to landscape mode. So how it is, very easy step. Now you can scroll down here, scroll up here, you can see in the notification panel bar here have these lock options. Rotate, you have to just rotate rotation lock off here, and you can see when we rotate my iPhone, then my iPhone will be rotated. Okay, so when you open your any apps, so when you will open down, now see your iPhone screen will be rotate. Okay, so now you can see my screen will be here, rotate landscape. You want to rotate, then you have to just state your mobile, and now you can see when you do you rotate your phone, then your mobile screen will be rotation. So want to turn off this setting, then you have to just scroll down here, and now you can find here the rotation off. You have to just turn on lock. Okay, that rotation lock on. I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure like and subscribe. And which iPhone are you using right now? Tell me in the comment box.